If you like this video and channel, click on the like button and subscribe button. Also, if you want to have notification when new video released, click on the notified button. Welcome in video where you can see how to compare offline and online project in TIA Portal. First we create some basic program, for example in OB1. Okay, in network 1 we insert some part of code. For example, here we insert input 1, here input 2, and here output variable of the PLC. Okay, now we go to the PLC tags and create some new tags. For example, tag with name value 1, value 2, and value 3. These tags will be markers and of data type integer. Okay, we make it for all of these new created markers. Okay, now we save the project and download this project to the CPU. We download this version. This will be first version of the project in CPU, and okay, we go online with CPU to check if everything is okay. Okay, everything is green. We can go also online with organization block, and now we try to make some changes in offline project, and then we compare these two projects. I mean the offline and online project of TIA Portal and CPU. Okay, we insert here, for example, again input 1, and we move some integer value to integer tag which we create in PLC tags. Okay, for example, value 1. Now we go back to the default tag table and create some new tags to also see in comparison with online project if we have same tag table. Okay, first when you see you have something different in your offline project is when you go online to the PLC, and on the left project tree you can see the indicators online and offline project are not same. To see what is the problem, click on the tools and on the compare option, and on the property offline and online comparing, and here you can see there is some conflict, and objects in online PLC are different like offline project. For example, code without comments, it means we have some new code in our offline project, and also some target data are not same. And also we can see there is offline and online object difference between our offline PLC tag table and online PLC tags. Now when we download these changes to PLC and again compare the project, we see everything is green, and this indicate the project in PLC is same as our offline project. Again, and how we can see, everything is same status. Offline and online objects are identical. This indicates this green indicator. Okay, this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.